I'll introduce Akash. My apologies. आपका तारुफ मैं ठीक से नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि वो Arsalan जी ठीक है. So Akash and Arsalan, but I'll introduce Akash because that's the bio I have. So Akash is an archivist at Sindh Archives in Karachi, specializing in document preservation, heritage conservation, and archival research at Aga Khan University. Dr. Khan has led archival initiatives across campuses and spearheaded projects such as Pakistan's first archaeological conservation lab. He has authored
Hello to everyone. My name is Akash Datwani and I am here representing Sindh Archives. First, what are archives? Archive refers to material in written, pictorial or video, audio formats, including manuscripts, rare printed books, documents, newspapers, periodicals and photographs. Archives are collection of historical records and primary source documents to promote through cultural exhibitions, seminars, and education programs. Objective of Sindh Archives. Objective of Sindh Archives: build capacity and expertise, train archivists, conservators, and research in modern archival in our national archives in order to facilitate researchers in Karachi. We have Governor Sindh reports from 1937 to 1947, Freedom of London, British Library, Sindh Assembly debates.
Version records, the revenue collections also, and anything else that shows us, so records that are not.
And the darbar used to take place of that time, darbar, of Meer's darbars.
So,
I invite all of you to visit archives on Monday. This is my humble request if you want to come.